For lesson 9.2, we're once again talking about order of length, but this time it is indirect measurement. And we're given simple clues, such as number 1, we're talking about a yarn, ribbon, and crayon. And we're giving clues, and using those clues and the words longer, longest, shorter, and shortest, we're able to draw pictures to compare those three objects. So number 1 says, a yarn is longer than a ribbon. So we're just talking about the yarn and the ribbon right now. So we know the yarn is longer than the ribbon. So we would want to draw a piece of yarn that's longer than the ribbon. We don't know how long the ribbon is, so we'll just make sure that it's shorter. Then our second clue says the ribbon is longer than the crayon. So now we're just working with the ribbon and the crayon. The ribbon is longer than the crayon, so we know the crayon is going to be shorter. And any of those measurements work. It doesn't matter how big they are, just as long as they show which one's longer, which one's shorter. That's just fine. Then it asks you a question. It says, so the yarn is blank than the crayon. So now we're just going to compare the yarn and the crayon. We would use those vocabulary words again. The yarn is longer than the crayon. At the bottom on the problem solving, it once again gives you two clues, and then your question, and you're having to draw it. So it says Megan's pencil is shorter than Tasha's pencil. So I would want to draw a picture of that. Put an M for Megan and Tasha a T. Megan's pencil is shorter than Tasha's pencil. Once again, making sure that our pictures always line up over here on the side. And then it says Tasha's pencil is shorter than Kim's. So we know Kim's is going to be longer than Tasha's. So using our picture, we can say Megan's pencil is shorter or longer than Kim's. And we know Megan's would be shorter. On the back side, the first problem once again is giving you 4 different pictures and clues, and you just have to decide which one is correct. And then the spiral review number 2, what is the sum? Once again, the word sum, that's our vocabulary word. That is our answer or our whole for addition.